In this lecture, we'll discuss embeddings. In the previous session, we talked about vector embeddings, starting with the bag of words model. The bag of words approach simply counts how often each word appears in a sentence or document based on the total vocabulary. However, it doesn't capture any semantic meaning. It can't tell whether two words or sentences are similar in meaning. It only provides word counts. To address this limitation, the Word2Vec model was introduced. Word2Vec converts words into vectors in such a way that similar words have similar vector representations. This model uses neural networks to learn word meanings and relationships by identifying patterns in large text datasets. Through training, Word2Vec learns to place related words close together in the vector space. For example, the words cute often appear together in similar contexts, like in the phrase cute cat. After training, the model might determine that cat and cute have a similarity score of about 0.74, indicating a strong relationship between the two. In short, word embeddings help capture how words relate to one another, unlike bag of words, which only counts occurrences. Using neural networks, embeddings enable machines to understand and compare the meanings of words based on their context. That's the essence of word embeddings. In the next lecture, we'll explore this concept further.